Best survival gadgets on Amazon. Survival situations can be unpredictable and challenging, requiring individuals to rely on their wits and the tools at their disposal to overcome adversity. Amazon, one of the world's largest online marketplaces, offers a wide array of survival gadgets and gear to help people prepare for emergencies and outdoor adventures. From versatile multi-tools to advanced water purifiers, these survival gadgets can make a significant difference in your ability to handle unforeseen situations. Whether you're an avid camper, a prepper, or just someone who values safety and self-sufficiency, the following survival gadgets on Amazon might pique your interest and enhance your preparedness. Bear Grylls Ultimate Survival Kit. Okay, so this one is kind of cheating. It's not so much one survival gadget as several survival gadgets, but it all comes in honor, so we're claiming it. You never know quite what you're going to get into when you're out camping, so particularly for those who are new to outdoor exploration, this Bear Grylls Survival Kit is ideal. The 15-piece kit has tools ranging from fire starters to survival blankets to sewing kits and snare wires, as well as instructions on how to signal for attention if it all goes wrong. We took this standard keychain multi-tool and made it better. In addition to stainless steel pliers, wire cutters, a fine-edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flathead screwdriver, crosshead driver, tweezers, and file, the dime includes a unique blade designed to safely cut and score plastic packaging, and a bottle opener that is exposed even when the tool is closed. HydroPack Collapsible Bottle. This one isn't a life-saving gadget in itself, but everyone knows that a water bottle is an essential piece of survival gear, and this is one way to make it that much easier to carry. While water packs can be punctured easily and can be a pain to refill, the HydroPack Stash collapsible bottle is super durable and comes in size of up to 1 liter. It'd be ideal to carry it in your backpack just in case something does go wrong with an original water bottle and you left without a source able to carry water. Flexible bottles get an upgrade. The Flux is shaped like a hard bottle, compresses like a soft flask, and cuts weight by 60%. Finish your drink, and this bottle collapses and packs down to earn its space in your pack. Power Plus Barracuda LED Solar Wind-Up Torch. A wind-up torch is an essential survival gadget, whether you're looking to survive in a dangerous disaster situation or survive a night by yourself in a cozy tent. When you're looking for what to buy, though, you need to look at the details. How much effort goes into charging it, and how much will you get out of that charge? The bad boy above ticks all of the boxes when it comes to those charges. 1 minute of hand cranking gives you an hour of light, with all 3 LEDs, or 80 minutes with just 110 minutes of flashing, and better yet, it's rain-proof and wind-proofs up to an impressive 45 feet. Swedish Army Fire Steel. The Swedish Army Fire Steel, also known as a fire starter or ferrocerium rod, is a classic and highly reliable tool for creating sparks and igniting fires in a wide range of survival situations. It's a simple yet effective device that has been a staple in the outdoor and survival community for many years. These fire steels are built to last. They consist of a solid rod made of ferrocerium, a synthetic pyrophoric alloy known for producing a high-temperature spark when scraped. Unlike matches or lighters, fire steels work well in wet or windy conditions, making them an ideal choice for survival situations where fire can be a matter of life and death. The Swedish Army Fire Steel is a compact and lightweight tool, making it easy to carry in your pocket, backpack, or survival kit. The Swedish Army Fire Steel is not only a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and hikers, but also a crucial addition to emergency kits and survival gear. It is a reliable source of fire in a variety of situations, from lighting a campfire for warmth and cooking to signaling for help in emergency situations. Leatherman One-Hand Tool. The Leatherman One-Hand Tool is a versatile and convenient multi-tool designed for easy one-handed operation. Leatherman, a renowned brand in the multi-tool industry, is known for producing high-quality, durable, and functional tools that are favored by outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, and everyday users alike. The one-hand tool is a prime example of Leatherman's commitment to innovation and practicality. Leatherman tools are renowned for their robust construction and durability. They can easily fit into a pocket or be carried in a belt sheath, making them convenient for everyday carry. Whether you need to make quick repairs, open packages, cut wires, or perform other tasks, Leatherman tools are up to the challenge. Leatherman stands behind the quality of their products and often provides warranties and excellent customer support, giving users confidence in their purchase. Zippo Hand Warmer. Know that time your mate who doesn't even smoke bought a Zippo just because he thought it looked cool? Well, he was right, it does look cool, and now you can own one too, for a function that's actually worthwhile. This simple hand warming gives off 10 times more heat than a disposable hand warmer, is reusable, doesn't have a flame, and works for up to 12 hours with just one fill. Oh, and you'll look like an absolute boss if you learn how to flick it on properly. Slide this into your pocket and enjoy the outdoors even when it's cold. Zippo's high polish chrome hand warmer has a high polish finish and thin design that easily fit into pockets. It's virtually odorless and stays warm for up to 12 hours. BioLite Camp Stove. It's often said that if you're in a survival situation with a phone that has a signal, you're not really in a survival situation at all. Being able to directly call for help eliminates a whole host of potential scenarios that could result in serious damage to a hiker or camper in trouble, so having a charge in your phone can be imperative. That's where the BioLite Camp Stove comes in. Not only is it a camping stove, but it is also a charger generating power from burning biomass. You would have to burn hours of fuel to get the stove to fully charge your phone, but in times of need, it could provide that extra spark needed to let you make that pivotal call. A genius survival gadget indeed. Lightweight aluminum legs fold up for nested portability and durability for camping, backpacking, or power outages. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. There's no life without water. Therefore, no matter what activity you choose to do, whether it's hiking, camping, climbing, or just taking a walk outside, you should have clean water with you. The LifeStraw Water Filter is an amazing survival gadget. It uses a filter that can remove up to 99.9% of parasites, bacteria, and microplastics from the water, giving you clean drinking water wherever you are. The microfiltration membrane of the device can remove all kinds of bacteria, such as Salmonella, Cryptosporidium, E. coli, and Giardia. GoTime Gear Life Tent Emergency Survival Shelter. The GoTime Gear Life Tent is a weatherproof two-person tent made from tear and puncture-resistant PET mylar with an interior that reflects 90% of your body heat. You'll stay warm and dry in wind, rain, and snow. Ideal in any backpack while camping and hiking, or even a car survival kit. Emergency Storm Shelter weighs just 8.7 ounces and packs down fast in a 5.25 x 3.25 stuff sack. Our reusable survival kit allows you to escape the elements in winter weather without weighing you down. Thermal Emergency Tube Tent sets up fast between trees. Weight it down with rocks or gear for extra stability. Autolin Camping Stove Kit. The folding handles on the pot or stove can be folded down to save space. Small in size and portable, all the items in this kitchen set can be stored together in a mesh bag for convenient portability. Enjoyed cooking anywhere you go? This awesome cookware kit is designed for anyone who loves camping outdoors with family and friends. It is super portable, so it is much more convenient for camping, hiking, backpacking, picnicking, and other outdoor activities. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.